What's up, guys? We're back to another video. So far we're possibly in Central Park, so yeah, look how cool this is. I'll show you guys in a minute. There's a water, I'll show you guys in a minute, but look at this building. Godly. Whew. So far we're liking it. Let me show you guys really quick the video. The water. I'm not gonna put my phone over there. I'm gonna let people pass. Might not show y'all the video, but the water. I'm showing you guys. There you go. There's the water. Ooh. Oh man, that's beautiful. New York, New York. Sorry, Uncle. The beautiful view, guys. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. Let me know in the comments how y'all like this. So far I'm liking the trip, guys. But let me know what you guys think about in the comments. Let me know. Stay tuned for more hunts. Just like this amazing one. I'm gonna put my bag down. Look at that. Amazing. Oh man, that's a good view right here. This is it, guys. Hope you guys love it. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. This is it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace out, y'all.